Tabs allow us to set locations on the ruler, which affects how you enter text. Consider using tabs a combination of deciding how you want your text to be aligned and where you want it to be indented to. There are different types of tabs. You have a left-hand tab, a right-hand tab, a center-aligned tab, leader tabs, and also decimal tabs. The first we'll look at is the left-hand tab. This allows us to set a place on the ruler where text can start running from the left to the right of our page. A right-aligned tab will do the opposite. It will allow you to set text that runs right to left on your page. A center-aligned tab will align your text in the center and have your text run both left and right. To set a tab, place your cursor on the line where you want your tab to be. Next, click on the Paragraph Expanded menu option. At the bottom of your screen, you will see Tabs ... Select this option. In the window, you will see tab stops position, default tab stops, different alignments, and leaders. In the tab stop position option, enter in where you want your tab to be. Then select which option you want it to be. Once you've done this, hit Set. If you have multiple tabs on one line, add in the next one, making sure that you enter in the distance, the alignment, and then select Set. You will see that you have multiple options pop up on your screen. Once you have them set, you can select OK. If you look on the ruler, you will now see two little marks. If you hover over those marks, a little pop-up will tell you what they are. A left-aligned tab will look like an L. A center-aligned tab will look like a line with another line running vertically through it. And a right-aligned tab will look like a backwards L. Next, you need to align your text to your tab. If you haven't typed anything on your line, now is the time to do so. To align the text, place your cursor in front of the word that you want to align. Then hit the Tab key. You'll see that the text has moved in line with the tab. If you click and hold on the tab, you can see a line appear on your screen that will show you how it's working. If you click Tab again, the text will go to the second tab on the line. If you make a mistake when you're setting your tabs, it's okay. Place your cursor on the line and use the backspace key to remove whatever text you've put in. To remove the tabs completely, double click on the ruler and you'll see the pop-up come up. Here on the line you can hit Clear or Clear All to remove the tabs that have been set. From here you can either put the tabs back in again or move on. A leader tab is used to put dots or lines between two pieces of text. For example, a table of contents might have a leader tab between the text telling you what's on the page and the page number. To set a leader tab, you'll need to bring up the tab menu again. Once you are in it, enter in your tab stop positions and alignments. When you enter in the second one, select a leader tab. This will ensure that anything in front of that tab leading up to it will have that style. Once you are back in your document, type in your text and then use the tab keys to align the text where it's meant to go. You'll see that your leader tab has put a line or dots between the two pieces of text.